Rather it will rain, or you would rather it will snow?
Rain. I hate the snow.
Why?
I don't like it.
Well,
I just don't. You asked me a question, I answered it. I don't like the snow.
why?
Because I don't. I don't like it. Get out of my hair. There's nothing in my hair, Loka. My hair is clear.
You have tiny.
Look, Alberto, es mucho lluvia. Aquí en Durham. I love it. I love it here, but I don't want it to rain where you are, though. Where you can no working. But here, it's okay. Wow. It's coming hard, Victoria. Look.
Whoa! I hope my mom is okay.
Oh, your mom's okay. They're okay. They got good tires on their car.